So, good morning and welcome.
Morning.
And today we're taking you out to the mall, another mall.
Neon Mall.
Yes, the Neon Mall in Paphos itself. So, of course, everybody knows about Kings Avenue Mall. Some people, certainly tourists, are less aware of the Neon Mall in Paphos town itself. So, come and join us. Have a quick look around. Won't be too long, but let's see what there is in here. Plenty of underground parking here. You don't have to park outside in the sunshine. Kind of as you would expect, lots of parking and even electric car chargers with petrol cars parked on them, but Cyprus. It happens in the UK as well. Just the other side of the road there is a big McDonald's drive-through and takeaway. So, let's go in and have a look. The Neon Mall. Just at the entrance to some outside eateries. And as we come in here, air conditioning hits you. And on my left we've got a Lidl. So another Lidl supermarket. That makes 3 in Paphos, isn't it?
Yeah,
3.
it's amazing.
3 Lidl. This building used to be a supermarket chain called Orphanides, which went bankrupt several years ago, and the building was stood empty for quite a long time. And then Super Home Centre, which is a bit like B&Q, for all your kind of household bits and DIY stuff, opened up. This shop, Cabby, it's a bit like Primark in terms of pricing and how things are, because clothes are quite expensive in Cyprus. So as you can see, there's little girls' dresses for €5 and suits for 12 and stuff. So we'll have a little look around here. We probably won't vlog it, so we don't want to bore you to death with shopping, but might be interesting to see a couple of prices. So there you go. Very much like Primark. T-shirts for $2.50. Buy one get one free, and other such offers. And that's the baby area. But again, got a little dress there for $3. I don't know. No, $4.50. This is the place to come if you want some T-shirts and leisure wear. Yeah, winter puffer jackets and ladies' clothing, €12. Pair of jeans for €18. Go have a look at the men's stuff. So, jeans for €12. T-shirts for €10. Trousers €15. A bit like Primark. It must be an international brand because there's prices in various denominations here. Sizing is EU sizes. Hats, socks, pants. Yep. So, very good. Julie's disappeared. I think she's off to spend money. Who knows? So that was KB. Not sure how we pronounce it. KB. Inside the Neon Mall. So it's nicely air conditioned in here, which is lovely. Gets you out that relentless heat in Cyprus. We've got an optician's and a big Cosmos sports shop. So, sports shop, much like Sports Direct, I guess, those kind of places. Opticians, public toilets, and then the basement parking down these escalators, which is where we came from. Looks like they're going to be extending this mall.
Rooftop car parks going.
Yeah, looks like they're going to be extending it, so more to come. Definitely watch this space, we'll see what's here next time we come. So I guess the big things really is the Kirby shop and the Super Home Centre and the Lidl and maybe the sports shop. Anyway, let's go in Super Home Centre, just show you around very briefly. So as I say, Super Home Centre, very much like your B&Q, so you get your concrete, your cement, your render, your plaster, all that kind of things, your paints and your paint mixes. All your sealants. And familiar name products. So your dustbin, your swindler, basically everything that you might need for your home. Ironing boards, some electrical equipment, irons, kettles. Cleaning products. Airbeds. Throws. Decorative items. And your pet supplies. So 40 quid for a bag of dog food, 40 euros dog food. Might as well feed the dog steaks.
Alex, that's stupid stuff.
Well, don't know about it being stupid. I know it's expensive. I know you can get it, but just go. We'll go buy some chicken. Garden and outside area. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a bit of a garden centre. Obviously, you'd probably get that B&Q or home base or whatever kind of vibe, which it is. It's not a very big outside area, but it sells ladders and huts and fencing panels and plants. So, oh, and the furniture area. So suitcases, rugs, mats, bit of everything. Lights and fans. Replacement lamps. I seem to have a bit of everything. Timber. Wow. Some of the timber's not like straightest in the world. TV and aerial fixings. Catcher, pressure washers. Even car stereos, car accessories, so a bit of everything for everyone. Yourself some awning, or a barbecue, or a gazebo. Ooh. Look around the Save a Home Centre. and this is the Neon Mall. The escalator back to the basement car park. I think that's it from us. So we'll see you on the next one. Hope you had a enjoyable experience having a look around the Neon Mall in Paphos. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.